Welcome students. So today we will see how to perform the practicals, that is the slide preparation for the various gymnospermic material. So first of all we have to go for the anatomical study of stem. The first vegetative organ which is included in your syllabus is the stem. So stem you have already seen. We have to cut the transverse section of this stem, that is the branch of unlimited growth which is having the scaly leaves on it. So we have to cut it to study it in detail. We have that is the anatomical details. We have to cut it in the various planes. So we have to cut this stem in a transverse plane. We will cut it in this way. So as it is hard, it is very hard in nature. It is woody, as it is woody. So I have prepared the two different parts of it, and we will go for the section cutting of this particular part. So you have to cut its transverse section like this. Take the new razor blade and then you cut the transverse section in this right angle plane like this. So go for the section cutting for this material, that is the stem. You have to cut more than 15 to 20 sections at one time. Go through the section cutting like this. After cutting 15 to 20 sections, you put it in the watch glass where there is water present already, and then after cutting the number of sections, for mounting you have to select one thinnest section from those 15 to 20 sections. Now for preparation of the slide, you should have the slide, it should be clean. So you have to clean it with the blotting paper like this. Clean your slide before its preparation, as well as you have to clean the cover slip which you have to use for the mounting purpose. Then what we are going to use for the mounting is the glycerin, and for staining purpose we are using the safranin solution. So safranin is the stain and glycerin is the mounting material. So you have to use these two solutions for the temporary mounting of the given material. So we have already have the sections. So the next thing what we have to do, we have to stain the section. So for that, first of all select one of the thinnest and finest and complete section, put it on the slide, then use the dropper for the staining purpose. Have a single drop of stain, that is safranin, on the material. Stain it with the help of safranin solution. After staining, wash it again with the water. Drain out the safranin solution, that is the stain. Wash it with water. Drain the water, and then we have to go for the use of mounting material. We have to mount it in the glycerin solution. So put a drop of glycerin with the help of dropping bottle like this. And the next thing what we have to do is we have to put the cover slip on it. So for putting the cover slip, you have the clean cover slip, then use the needle for putting the cover slip. So you have already kept the section in a mounting material, then use the needle, put the cover slip in this way and slowly remove the needle. So in this way we have the cover slip on the material, and your cover slip should be without air bubble. So perform this particular process very minutely and slowly. So after this, your slide is ready for the observation under the microscope. So when you go for the observation under the microscope, first of all you have to adjust the maximum light through this mirror, then adjust your objective. These are the two objectives and this is the eyepiece. So first of all you have to, there are two different objectives. This is the 10x, that is low power, and this is the 40x, which is the high power. So you have to observe this slide under the microscope in 10x objective. So focus it under the 10x objective and then observe it through the eyepiece. Then after observing it under the microscope, you have to go for its detailed study. Which different types of tissues are present, which are the different layers which are present in that particular organ internally, that we have to study in the anatomical structure. So after watching it under the microscope, you also go for the details. Is the provided material is the young stem of the pinus or is it old stem? That you can identify after cutting it in a transverse section. So this is about how to prepare the slide for the stem of the pinus. The second vegetative part which is included in syllabus for the anatomical study is the needle. So you all know this is the needle or the foliage leaf of the pinus. You have to cut the transverse section of this needle. So have a single needle and then you have to take the part of a needle and you again in the same way you have to go for the transverse sections. You have to cut the needle in a transverse plane like this. So have the number of sections, about 15 to 20 sections, in the same plane you have to go for it in this way. All the sections, they are collected on the surface of this blade. Then put it on the slide, a drop of water, take the drop of water, put all the sections in that drop of water, then go for the finest